Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put GMC Sierra in four-wheel drive. Start with the truck stopped or at low speed, shift the transfer case selector to 4WD Auto or 4WD High, and confirm indicator lights on the dash. For 4WD Low, bring the vehicle to a complete stop, shift into neutral, then engage 4L. Always drive cautiously after engaging four-wheel drive and recheck settings when conditions change. Begin by placing the Sierra in neutral or slowing to a crawl depending on your model, then use the dash selector or button to choose 4WD High for traction. Shift to 4L only when fully stopped and in neutral, and wait for the indicator light to confirm engagement. Listen for engagement and test traction gently, then resume driving with steady inputs and avoid sharp turns until you are confident in the transfer case engagement. If the Sierra does not engage, try cycling the selector, gently rocking the truck, or restarting the engine to reset the system. Avoid using four-wheel drive on dry pavement to prevent bind and uneven tire wear, and shift back to 2WD when extra traction is no longer needed. For persistent problems, check basic fuses and consult a professional technician to inspect the transfer case and electronic controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.